Finding the best budget stand mixer is really about figuring out how much performance you can get without overspending. The good news is that today's budget mixers are more capable than ever, making home baking easier and more enjoyable than many people expect. Honestly, I'm super interested to hear what kind of baking you usually do at home, whether it's occasional treats or something you're doing every week, because that really shapes what kind of mixer makes sense. Starting things off, let's move to the Kismile 5.5 quart tilt head stand mixer, which offers a familiar stand mixer experience for home bakers looking to stay within budget. When you set it on your countertop, the classic tilt head design immediately feels intuitive, giving you clear access to the bowl when adding ingredients or switching attachments. The 5.5 quart stainless steel bowl provides enough room for everyday baking projects like cookie dough, cake batter, or bread dough, while still maintaining a footprint that fits comfortably in most kitchens. As you begin mixing, the multi-speed control gives you flexibility across a wide range of textures. You can start slowly to gently combine ingredients, then increase speed as mixtures come together, which helps you maintain control and avoid splatter. The mixing action works the ingredients throughout the bowl, reducing the need for constant scraping and helping you achieve smoother, more consistent results. The stainless steel bowl contributes to a sense of durability and balance, and it's easy to lift out and clean when you're finished. The tilt head locks securely into place during use, which adds to the feeling of stability as the mixer works through thicker mixtures. Everything feels designed to support steady, predictable mixing rather than rushing the process. Over time, you'll find that this mixer fits naturally into your routine. It's well suited for bakers who want reliable performance without complexity, making it a solid choice for those exploring budget stand mixer reviews and trying to understand what real-world use feels like day after day. Moving on, the Dash Everyday Stand Mixer takes a more minimalist approach, prioritizing compact size and ease of use. If counter space is limited, this mixer immediately stands out for its lightweight design and small footprint. It's easy to store, easy to move, and easy to leave out without feeling like it dominates your kitchen. The smaller mixing bowl is designed for lighter tasks such as cake batters, frosting, and quick doughs. As you adjust the speed control, you'll notice how smoothly it responds, allowing you to gradually build mixing power as ingredients incorporate. The mixer keeps ingredients moving efficiently, helping you achieve even blends without unnecessary effort. What makes this mixer especially appealing is how approachable it feels. The controls are straightforward, the attachments are easy to remove, and cleanup is quick, which makes baking feel more spontaneous and less like a production. If you've ever avoided baking because cleanup felt like too much, I'm genuinely curious if something simpler like this would actually make you bake more often. Let me know in the comments because I'm honestly curious. With regular use, this mixer becomes a practical tool for everyday recipes. It encourages frequent baking by keeping the process simple, and it's a great example of how budget stand mixer reviews often highlight convenience and accessibility as key benefits. Next, let's move to the Ckemu 9-quart stainless steel bowl stand mixer, which shifts the focus toward capacity and flexibility. The first thing you notice is the large stainless steel bowl, and once you start using it, that extra space completely changes how you approach recipes. With a 9-quart capacity, you can comfortably mix large batches without worrying about overflow. As you work through recipes, the multi-speed control allows you to adapt the mixer's output to different ingredients. You can start slowly for controlled incorporation, then increase speed as doughs or batters develop. The generous bowl size allows ingredients to circulate more freely, helping you achieve even mixing across larger quantities. The stainless steel bowl feels solid and stable when locked into place, which adds confidence during longer mixing sessions. You're able to work with bigger recipes while maintaining consistency, which is especially helpful when baking for family gatherings or preparing food ahead of time. Using this mixer regularly gives you the freedom to scale up without upgrading to commercial equipment. For many home bakers, that balance of size and accessibility is what elevates it into top-rated budget stand mixer territory within its category. Now let's move to the VIVOHOME stand mixer, which offers a thoughtful balance of power, capacity, and modern design. The tilt head configuration makes ingredient access simple, and the stainless steel mixing bowl provides ample room for most home baking needs. It feels immediately versatile, ready to handle a wide range of recipes. As you adjust the speed settings, transitions feel smooth and controlled. Lower speeds allow for careful blending, while higher speeds help you aerate mixtures or work through thicker doughs. The mixing motion helps ingredients come together evenly, reducing the need for constant manual intervention. The mixer's overall build gives you a sense of steadiness during operation, which contributes to more predictable results. The stainless steel bowl lifts out easily for cleaning, and the attachments support a wide variety of tasks, letting you move seamlessly between recipes. With repeated use, this mixer adapts to your cooking habits and encourages experimentation. It's easy to see why many people consider it when searching for a best budget stand mixer that doesn't feel limiting as skills grow. Finally, let's move to the Hamilton Beach 63325 stand mixer, a model that's often recognized for its dependable mixing performance. One of its defining features is the planetary mixing action, which rotates the attachment around the bowl while spinning it simultaneously. This motion pulls ingredients into the mixing path more effectively, helping you achieve consistent results with less effort. The stainless steel bowl offers a practical capacity for everyday baking, and the multiple speed settings give you control across different recipes. You can begin at a low speed to combine ingredients cleanly, then gradually increase power as mixtures thicken and develop structure. During use, the mixer feels stable on the countertop, supporting longer mixing sessions without distraction. The attachments work efficiently with the planetary motion, ensuring ingredients are incorporated evenly from edge to center. If you already own a stand mixer or you're thinking about getting your first one, I'm super interested to hear what matters most to you: power, size, or ease of use, because everyone's kitchen priorities are a little different. Over time, this mixer earns its place as a reliable kitchen staple. Its consistency and ease of use are why many people view it as a top-rated budget stand mixer for everyday home baking. To wrap things up, the right mixer really comes down to how you bake and what you enjoy making most. There's no single perfect option, just the one that fits your kitchen and your habits best. Honestly, I'm genuinely curious which of these mixers felt like the best fit for you, so feel free to share your thoughts below. And you can find links to the current prices and availability for each of these mixers in the description box below, so you can take your time comparing them and deciding what works best for you.